Listen, before we begin, let me tell you one thing. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big English words. You don't need confidence right now. All you need is one thing: the courage to repeat after me. That's it. If you can repeat these sentences today, not perfectly, just honestly, you will already be improving your English. So no long introduction, no waiting, no overthinking. Let's start your speaking practice right now. Take a breath and repeat after me. This is only the beginning of my English success. This is only the beginning of my English success. Even small practice makes a big difference. Even small practice makes a big difference. My English gets better with every word I speak. My English gets better with every word I speak. I am building strong English habits today. I am building strong English habits today. I learn something new every time I try. I learn something new every time I try. I choose progress, not perfection. I choose progress, not perfection. Speaking English out loud helps me improve quickly. Speaking English out loud helps me improve quickly. I am learning to trust myself more each day. I am learning to trust myself more each day. I don't rush success. I grow at my own pace. I don't rush success. I grow at my own pace. My effort today builds my confidence for tomorrow. My effort today builds my confidence for tomorrow. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am proud of surviving difficult days. I am proud of surviving difficult days. Every failure is a step forward. Every failure is a step forward. Every mistake is a teacher. Every mistake is a teacher. Hard moments do not stop me. Hard moments do not stop me. I trust my journey, even if it's slow. I trust my journey, even if it's slow. I take breaks without feeling guilty. I take breaks without feeling guilty. I don't give up when I feel tired. I don't give up when I feel tired. I am stronger than yesterday. I am stronger than yesterday. Some days are hard, but I keep going. Some days are hard, but I keep going. I deserve to be heard. I deserve to be heard. I talk without fear of judgment. I talk without fear of judgment. I give myself permission to try. I give myself permission to try. I am learning to express myself. I am learning to express myself. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I don't rush my words. I don't rush my words. I am allowed to pause. I am allowed to pause. People understand me more than I think. People understand me more than I think. I don't need perfect sentences to communicate. I don't need perfect sentences to communicate. I speak English even when I feel shy. I speak English even when I feel shy. I speak English even when I feel shy. I face them one small step at a time. I face them one small step at a time. I don't run from challenges. I don't run from challenges. Every subject becomes easier with practice. Every subject becomes easier with practice. I stay calm even when things are difficult. I stay calm even when things are difficult. I can ask questions without fear. I can ask questions without fear. I don't have to understand everything today. I don't have to understand everything today. I try, and that is enough. I try, and that is enough. I don't need to compare myself to others. I don't need to compare myself to others. Sometimes school feels stressful, but I can handle it. Sometimes school feels stressful, but I can handle it. I move slowly, but I don't stop. I move slowly, but I don't stop. I start my day with positive energy. I start my day with positive energy. I am grateful for one more day to learn. I am grateful for one more day to learn. Every morning gives me a new chance. Every morning gives me a new chance. I don't need to be perfect in the morning. I don't need to be perfect in the morning. I take a breath before rushing. I take a breath before rushing. I am patient with my morning mood. I am patient with my morning mood. I start my day with small steps. I start my day with small steps. Even on tired days, I try my best. Even on tired days, I try my best. I listen carefully and I improve. I listen carefully and I improve. When I wake up, I feel sleepy, and that's okay. When I wake up, I feel sleepy, and that's okay. I am showing up for myself. I am showing up for myself. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I feel proud of my effort today. I feel proud of my effort today. I can learn anything if I try slowly. I can learn anything if I try slowly. I understand more than I think. I understand more than I think. Mistakes help me grow. Mistakes help me grow. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am learning something new every day. I am learning something new every day. I am learning English. I am learning English. You did it. You really did it. 10 minutes of speaking, of showing up, of choosing yourself, of repeating even when it felt long, even when your mind said, rest, you stayed. That makes you special. That makes you powerful. That makes you a learner who will grow, not just in English, but in life. Whenever you feel low, whenever you feel stuck, whenever you think you are not improving, come back to this practice. Repeat again, improve again, grow again. I am proud of you, truly. See you tomorrow for the next session of your journey. Keep speaking, keep learning, keep becoming better, one word at a time.